on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. It's voiceover Ralph again because, as I mentioned in the last video, I filmed a couple videos and my microphone on my Canon camera was a little messed up. I don't know what happened with it, but the microphone was in fact messed up. So there's a lot of static in the videos that I filmed and it sounded absolutely terrible. So I'm doing a voiceover. But as you can see here, new box, and you see the New Balance, very, very beautiful box. They made a nice design on this box. The New Balance Salehe Bembury. All right. I like all the details on the box. The colors be the palette. All right, and that's pretty much what I'm explaining here at this point. I'm sorry once again for the sound not being correct, but you know, that's what it is, man. New Balance, what are those? The 991s. So yeah, man, we go ahead and get into it. I destroyed the box when I was opening it. That's what I was showing there. I cut a hole into the box. There's a message that's underneath the top of the lid of the box. So this is me reading that, and then I'll show it. If you want to pause right there, you can see what was said underneath the box. And that was the receipt for all you receipt boys. But of course, you know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. And we're going to look at the paper here. You see the New Balance logos on the brown paper in case you are somebody trying to get these. But I do that so I can let you know that this is how it looks if you're going to buy them off resale. And here we are. Left shoe first, baby. And that's a very nice shoe, man. The Salehe Bembury New Balance 991 V2s. All right, colors be the palette, and I'm showing you the purple laces that come with the shoes. Nice quality all around the shoe. You see the tongue there, the green on the inside, made in England on the back of the tongue. And then there's the thumbprint, the Salehe Bembury thumbprint on the back. If you're familiar with some of his other projects, you know that there's a thumbprint like on the bottom of the Crocs that he has. The bottom is basically all his thumbprint. So I like that they snuck the thumbprint in on this New Balance as well. And just looking at the quality of the shoe, man, they are very nice. They do come with additional laces. And you can see that's like a sail kind of lace. And then there is a lighter purple. So it's not two of the exact same color purples, but that one is a little bit lighter. If you look at the shoe, you can see there's a darker purple around there, and then there's a lighter purple. So the shoelaces reflect that. All right. So nice mesh material there going around for breathability. Very nice. Your feet, I should say, aren't going to be all sweaty. And that's the bottom of the shoe. On the inside, you have like a cork insole there, which I think is a nice touch, something unique. And then look at the colors. Like, this may be my Ninja Turtle fandom, but can't you see all the colors of the Ninja Turtles going around the shoe? You see the orange, the red, the blue, and the whole shoe is purple. Of course, it's damn near Donatello's shoe, but it's all Ninja Turtle colors around the shoes. And there's the green on the inside there, sneaking out. So, I mean, maybe that's just me. Maybe that's just me being the nerd, you know, but I'm seeing, I'm getting a little bit of Ninja Turtle vibes there, man. You know, I'm getting a little bit of Ninja Turtle vibes, but maybe that's just me. But anyway, I was showing you that there are some strings. There's some like imperfections on the shoe. I cut one of the strings from inside the shoe out, but there were still some strings that were hanging around the shoes. And I don't know if that was intentional or not, but I just thought I would point that out to let you know that this is something you might see on the shoe. As we head into the on feet portion of the video, you can see how they look right there. I put one white lace in because I thought the white would pop. You know, you got that kind of sail midsole, so I said, let me put the white in here and let's see how that looks. Now, these are a reflective kind of shoe. That there is a little bit of 3M on the end, and you know the gray area there that's in the toe box, it is a little bit of reflective lighting there, material. So if I can remember, I'll put in a picture that I took that shows it flashing. But what I'm pointing at here is that those are the only, you know, New Balance. I think I had a 574 as well, but in recent times, I wish that I had gone more with the running shoe versions of the New Balances, like the 2002 R's and the 991s, 992s. And what I was explaining here is that I feel like these are very comfortable, but if I was ranking the shoes right now, my favorite New Balances, because I've been really going in on New Balances this year, I would rank them 2002 R's, 992, 991, and then the 1906 R's will probably be my fourth place. I feel like those are more designed to be working out. But these shoes are very comfortable. I would recommend going with your true size. There's some coming at you. And it's some of that booty view. Get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, as I begin to wrap it up here on this shoe, I think this is an amazing shoe, man. A very, very amazing shoe. Look at the quality of the shoe. That's just something with these 991s and the 992s, even with the 2002 Rs, the quality of the shoe itself, like the materials and the way that the shoes are constructed, the way that they're built, the feel in hand. You know what I mean? I feel like with these New Balances, they just feel like you're getting your money's worth with the materials and everything that are used. And I know with some Jordans and LeBrons and things like that, it doesn't always feel like that with Nikes, but these are still available on the New Balance website. So if you are interested in these, you can go and get them still right now. You don't have to go to the resale market. All right, just go to newbalance.com and you can get a pair of these. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content on the way. I'll holler at you all next one. Peace.